It has officially been 5 days since I had the flu. For the most part, I'm better. So today we're going to get our hair done. Get dressed because I'm already late.
When I tell y'all Christmas looked so different this year, I was sick the entire time. When I tell y'all I thought I was dying from this flu, it was no joke. And then as soon as I got there, she washed my hair and it felt so good because I haven't touched my head in about 6 days. I did put some color in because I wanted it to be a little bit spicy for the holidays. I left there, I went straight to the nail shop because my eyebrows was going crazy. When I tell you I don't let nobody touch my eyebrows besides me, because she gonna do exactly what she's supposed to do every single time. And she did. Check out the hair, check out the eyebrows, and next we moved on to the feet. Because these feet was cracking, the nails were off. Baby, I just needed to recover. And I just did pink because I was feeling very pinkish this holiday. And I got home, I said, let me give y'all one spin. Because your girl looked a whole lot different than I did a few days ago. I'm on here because of God. And 2026, here we go.
I'm popping up real quick to show y'all my cute little lounge set that I did get from Adidas. However, if you did see this outfit and you had no idea it was Adidas, but you want it, I have found the absolute most perfect app called Shopping. The app will bring up so many different looks.
So first thing first, you're going to open up TikTok. You're going to type in Adidas loungewear. Once your search is complete, you're going to pick the video of your choice. Video, hit the share button, and then more again. The Shopping app, and let your video load. Once it comes up, you're going to have multiple options. You scroll down, find the option you choose, open it up. You're even able to do a virtual try-on, and voila. Download the app and use the code that is on the screen above.